Hey guys, in Miller 7.7, example 3, we want to solve the radical equation. So square root of 3m plus 1 minus square root of 4m, or m plus 4 equals 1. So first, I'm going to isolate this one by adding square root of m plus 4 to both sides. Square root of 3m plus 1 equals 1 plus square root of m plus 4. So now, to cancel this radical, I'll have to square, which means I'll have to square this side too. So squaring this square root becomes 3m plus 1. And now I'm going to use my special products here. This is 1 squared plus 2 times 1 times square root of m plus 4 plus square root of m plus 4 squared. So I have 3m plus 1 equals 1 plus 2 square root m plus 4. And this square cancels this square root to leave plus m plus 4. So now I need to isolate this radical and square both sides. So let me combine some like terms first. 3m plus 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus m plus 2 square root m plus 4. So I'm going to subtract 5 and subtract m in this step to cancel. So I have 2m minus 4 equals 2 square root m plus 4. So now I can either divide by 2. I need to divide by 2. So I have m minus 2 equals square root of m plus 4. Now I have this isolated, so I can square both sides to cancel that. So m minus 2 squared, using my special products, is m squared minus 2 times m times 2 plus 2 squared equals m plus 4, because this square cancels the square root. So now I have m squared minus 4m plus 4 equals m plus 4. Well, now that I have an m squared, this is a quadratic equation. I need to get equal to 0. So I will subtract m and I will subtract 4. Cancel, cancel. So I have m squared minus 5m, these cancel, equals 0. Cool. To factor this binomial, I see there's a GCF of m. So I have either m equals 0 or m equals 5. So let's check both of those answers here to the right to see if either one of them is extraneous. So m equals 0 or m equals 5. So let's see, square root of 3 times 0 plus 1 minus square root of 0 plus 4, does that equal 1? So this is square root of 4, square root of 1 minus square root of 4, does that equal 1? So that's 1 minus 2 equals 1. So that does not equal. So 0 is not a solution. Let's check 5. Square root of 3 times 5 plus 1 minus square root of 5 plus 4, does that equal 1? So this is square root of 16 minus square root of 9, does that equal 1? 4 minus 3 equals 1, yes. So only m equals 5 is our solution. This one is called extraneous, which means it was a solution that when we plugged it in, did not work out. So it is not a final solution to the overall problem. Let's try one more like this together because I know these are the most elaborate.